Hi everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. Just doing a little unboxing of a new toy to play with. This is the new ZTE ZPAD. ZPAD if you're American, I guess, but I call it the ZPAD. This is available with TELUS right now. It's about $265. It does have an LTE chip into it, so you can't put your SIM card in. Um, it's meant to be a bit of an economy kind of device, something to take with you on your go. Um, if you don't need to really bring in your big iPad or whatever with you. So this is a 10-inch device. Let's just see what we have in the box. Okay, so in the box, obviously, we got cords and cables. We've got USB-A to USB-C. We've got wall plugging charger. I'll check to see. It looks like it's probably a quick charge. Just that symbol usually tells me it's a quick charge cable connector. We'll do some tests on that. This is like a 7,000 milliamp hour battery. I don't know what the little stickers are for. And then we have the actual tablet itself. Stay. Come on. Let's get you out of there. Okay. There. And then just some manuals. Whoops. Oh, stay. Etc. So, very reminiscent of some of the early tablets that are out there. I mean, it does look like most of the other guys that we've seen before. I'm having flashbacks of the old Moto one that came out way back when. But how do I take this? Let's take this screen off, because this is the one thing I noticed when I was looking at reviews or looking at other things, because it doesn't really show. It looks like the bezel goes all the way there, but if I peel it off, the bezel is like right here. So actually the screen stops here. So as you look at this, I'm just going to put this behind that. You can see it does have a fair amount of bezel on that, but it gives you something to hold on to. Anyways, I'll have a full review up on the website in the next little while. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.